Hi everyone, this is K Pandit from Little Montessori Pandits. By now you've guessed, I love crafting with felt wool. So far I've done needle felting, but today I'm going to share with you how to do wet felting. This is such an easy activity that you can do with young children or even for yourself for arts and crafts. Most of the things you'll have in the house. So here I've made big bowls. So I'm using some wool yarn that I had in the house and fills wool, water, warm water and cold water, and some washing up liquid, and of course some time. Please watch the video until the end. You'll get the idea what to do. It is such a simple activity. All you do is get the felt wool and you just wrap the wool around like so. So the next thing you need is some warm water, but the water do not have to be hot, just warm enough for you to soak the bowl. Okay, so and some washing up liquid. Okay, so I have here warm water and cold water, so normal tap water, and to that I'm going to add a tablespoon of washing up liquid to the warm water, and this soapy water will bind the wool strands together. So next thing, you take the bowl that you have prepared and you literally soak it with water like so, and just gently dab it and roll it. It takes a while. So you can see there's enough soap in there, and then you gently start rubbing it together and you will see the wool strands will come together, and it takes about 10 minutes. At the moment it's all loose. Don't worry, don't squeeze the water out, just gently roll it like this and let the warm soapy water do the job. You can go gently like this in all different directions, and you will see a little bit of wool sort of here. You can see all this will come together. Okay, so continue like this for about 10 minutes. As you roll it, you will see the surface of the bowl is becoming harder and it's not soft anymore, and all the loose wool is now binding together. Let me just bring it a little bit closer to you. So this is still going to become hard. In order to get a just even surface, palm here, the hands, and put the ball in there, and that's just gently roll it like this, and not too much pressure. And you will see it that fabrics of the wool is well combined with each other, and actually is now officially a nice bowl that a child can play with. But you know, just continue doing this for another few minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so now the 10 minutes are up and you can see that it's turning into a ball. So the next thing you do is now just dip it into cold water, making sure that it's well coated with cold water, and then you continue rolling the ball. You don't need the soapy water, you need the cold water, and you roll it for another 5 minutes. So next, just gently squeeze any soap that is there, and then just gently squeeze it and then shape it. I'm gonna let it dry for about 24 hours. I hope you make these felted balls. If you do, please let me know. Do join me for my next video, which is all about the art of flour pounding with children. It's a very good activity that also takes the children outside and then bring them in again, and pounding flours, and the whole activity is related with art, craft, science, and most importantly, the children will have lots of fun.